how to insert page break in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to insert page break in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Open up your Word file and then you'll need to insert the cursor where you want to start the page break. Just tap on it and then you need to go to the insert tab on the ribbon bar and then you can see page break option right here. So this will end the current page here and move to the next page. So tap on it and there you go. It has been moved to the next page. So it's as simple as that. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.